Hi, my name is Nikki Vargas and I'm here for Mode.com. I'm standing on Bedford Avenue in beautiful Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Bedford Avenue is one of the main streets here in Williamsburg. It's dotted with artisan shops, cool restaurants, tons of cafes, and a lot of hipster culture is prevalent in this part of Brooklyn. Oh my God.
You can stop whenever it's big enough for you.
Cotton candy for breakfast. This is actually soap. Perhaps the most beautiful bar of soap anyone could ever ask for. And if you put it in the shower, I'm sure you'd really confuse your guests who'd want to bite it and not wash with it. I'm here at the one and only matcha bar in New York City, here at Y then 10th Avenue in Williamsburg. So here I am at Matcha Bar, and this is their macchiato. So matcha is essentially Japanese green tea compressed into a powder. This is about 70 grams of caffeine compared to coffee's 100 grams, filled with antioxidants. And the beauty of it is that unlike coffee, you don't have that nasty crash after all that caffeine. So it's a much healthier alternative to your usual cup of coffee. Sure, you can get around by cab or subway, but on a day like today, why not go down the East River and take in a view of the Manhattan skyline? I'm here in one of Brooklyn's exciting neighborhoods, DUMBO. DUMBO stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass, and this area is defined by its converted warehouses, its rise of amazing restaurants, quirky shops, and it's home to one of the best areas in the city to get the perfect New York photo. When headed to DUMBO, there are two places that should be on every traveler's list, Jacques Therese and One Girl's Cookies. Jacques Therese is a famous chocolatier here in New York, and his shop is known for their amazing hot cocoa and handcrafted treats. One Girl's Cookies is an Instagrammer's dream with perfectly photogenic cappuccinos. This very street is known as the perfect place to take the ultimate New York photo. This street has been featured in movies and TV shows alike because of its perfect framing of the Manhattan Bridge. This is Jane's Carousel here in Brooklyn Bridge Park, and perhaps one of the few places in the city where you can really step back in time to the 1920s. This carousel is from 1922 and was restored to its former grandeur in 1984, and now it was gifted to the city and put here for all the children of New York to come and play and ride the carousel.